Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy 2-minute messy bun on fine hair. To start, I've put a rough curl through the hair and I'm just going to add some texture powder all over the crown. You can do this with straight hair as well if you prefer. Then I'm going to leave out a little bit of hair to frame the face and clip that off. Do this on both sides of the head. Next, I'm going to divide the hair from about the end of the eyebrow height straight across. And we're just going to tie this into a ponytail, but on the last turn, only pull the ponytail halfway through so you create a little loop. Then pinch and pull at the hair on the crown for some more texture and volume. Gather the remaining hair at the bottom and we're going to sweep this up and over to the right hand side so it's level with that little bun. Then holding on to the right hand side, I'm going to take the ends and just twist them a couple of times towards the head, and we're going to bring it over the top of the bun and back to the right hand side. Then secure all the way around that twist with as many bobby pins as needed. Leave the ends hanging free, and then we're just going to really pinch and pull the twist and the bun apart for some more messy volume. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.